Got a special delivery this morning. Woken up rudely after a night shift, but here we are. Nevertheless, parts arrived. Winter's having a sniff around it, checking out what's going on. So what we've got is a Tesla Model 3 2.0 console, second generation. It's got all the fast wireless and all that. Got it from our breakers down Cornwall area. So it looks in good nick, just needs a bit of a little wipe down. But yeah, the whole piece looks good. Looks good, doesn't it? USB-C ports at the back. Lovely, lovely. All going into a Model 3 Performance. It actually came out for 2021 Model 3 Performance. But it's going to go into a 2020 Model 3 Performance. Like I said, it looks in good nick. Been trying to get this for ages now. There's one guy in Lithuania selling it, but his price was a little bit too steep and he wasn't budging, even though he had one of those make an offer, which made no sense because he wasn't accepting any other offer from apart from the price that he'd set on there. So his loss. Yeah, we got it from breakers. They were selling the interior. Asked them about the console. They weren't even originally selling the console. Asked them about it, and they said, "Yeah, 1 sec. We'll see if it's still in the car." It was still in the car. About an hour later, gave me a new listing number. He said he's listed it on there if I want it. So yeah, got it for a nice decent price. So yeah, project number 1 with this model 2020 Performance will be swapping out the Gen 1 console into and putting this Gen 2 console on there. Main thing to look out for is make sure the car is off and there's a card reader that's inside here that needs to be swapped out, otherwise the car gets bricked. So just got to be thoughtful of that. Yeah, just had the car for about a week, so I don't even have the V5 that's come in yet, so I can't control anything with the phone. So everything's old school Tesla. Tap the card, tap the window. So hopefully the V5 comes today. This is day 5 of it, but yeah, this is one of the swaps I want to start getting on with. Yeah, I'm going to start cleaning it up. There's bits of dirt and grime everywhere. Nothing major, no scratches luckily, just grime where it's been sitting there probably. Yeah, so I'm going to clean this up, make sure everything's good with it, mechanism's good with it, nothing wrong with it. I mean, I can only really test it once it's in the car, but should be fun, make the car look new, give it a fresh new look. Peace out in a bit. Making good progress, just been cleaning everything up. You know, making it fresh to go in the car. Hoovered it, wiped all the dirt and grime off it. Had a look at the USB port. Where is it now? I took it all apart. I was glad to find this is an early 2021 model console, because as you can see, there's a data. I don't know if you can see it properly now. Yeah, there you go. You can just about see it. There's a data port there. It's not blanked off. Data here. There you go. That's much more visible. Not blanked off. The newer models, Tesla started shipping them without the data connection, but that's there, and we've got the data. We've got the power. We've got both cables here anyway. So yeah, I'm glad that's there because I would have had to buy the T-part data module. That's the part number. So yeah, we'll just take this part off because this is what needs to be swapped out. So the cup holder bit underneath it is where you tap the key card. Security key card information is stored in here, not in the car. So if I put this one in my car, it won't work. It might even brick the car. So I've got to take this out, put my one in, and put it on this one, and it should be all good to go. But yeah, just going to start putting things back together now. The whole thing is relatively easy to take apart. Just got to look around and investigate and see if it's screws or clips that's holding things in place. If it's clips, it feels like it's going to break, but You just got to be a bit forceful with it, and then it comes off. I had a hard time getting the charger bit. Which one? Yeah, I had a hard time getting this bit off. Because I thought, well, how the hell? It was securely stuck in place with these clips. See the gold brass bits there? What secures that part onto the console. But I'm glad I could take this out, because I do like adding my own personal touches to the car. Makes it yours kind of thing, and makes it more special. But yeah, just gonna start putting things back. Just been cleaning it, hoovered it inside, as like I said before. Did a bit of grime, dust to get off, and then going into the car later on and start taking that one out to put this one in. So in the car now, this is what we're going to be replacing the Gen 1 console, or console 1.0 as other people refer to it. I do like it. It's just that, you know, why not put the Gen 2 if we can. It's got a nice gloss black to it. It's got all these little touchy panels, as you guys know. I took out the wireless charging already. But yeah, let's start unbolting this one, take it out. The most important thing is the security reader in this one. We've got to swap it out put it into the new one, and that will make sure that we can start the car and drive off. We need a 10mm socket for this. Oh, wrong way. Make sure you don't lose these clips, they're important, they've got to go back in. One. There's a clip on here. Got to push this down. Sorry about the lighting, but I've got to push this down, and then the whole thing should come apart. There you go. That's separate from the car now. That's it. We're off. Now we have to take the security card from there and put it onto this one. There we go. There we go. Right, there you go, that's what we need to take out. There's a holding clip at the back. There you go. And just got to pull this out. Putting it into the new one. Make sure that clip goes in, holds it in place.
What does he think?
Oh, can't see what I'm doing. The camera's too close to you.
It's not as close as you think. This looks too close, but it's not.
Cool. And I believe that's how it goes. Something's not right. Oh, okay. That looks right. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. There we go, lads. Right, we've put the new security, no, not the new one actually, we put the old keycard module in there. We've secured this bit all around, so all that's left to do now is put this leatherette piece in. This one comes with a wireless charger, and that's where the power port goes in. And you'll find that on the console itself. When you put this back, just make sure this is not touching this bit, because when you try and open this, it's going to snag and it's not going to close properly. So let's do that now. These get held in place with clips. So this is the clip, sorry, this is the connector that I was talking about. That powers the wireless charging. Yep. We're 90% there. We're going into the mothership.
Do it with the screen.
Oh, I think it's in. If you remember the USB connector that we took off the first console, we're just going to attach it. I don't want to move the chair because the car is off at the moment and nothing's plugged in, so let's just, I can just about reach it, hopefully without touching the chair and activating the car. Complete the whole, oh well, that's broken, shouldn't matter. This should complete the whole setup. Is that even the right way? No, it's that way. Oh, don't tell me it's not the right one. Oh, it is. This has to go in. Right. Let's try the key out. Where's the key? Moment of truth. Alright, so.
Hey.
Right, can we put it into drive?
Yes.
I think we're good. Keys there. Let's shut all the doors. Boots open. There we go, drive. Hey, car's moving. Sorted.
That's good.
Just,
Why is it? Oh,
yeah, just need to bolt it all up now. There you go.
That wasn't too hard. That took about 15 minutes.
Oh, but sure.
Bit shorter, yeah.
Yeah, probably about 15 minutes.
Everything went cool. Look, got a new refreshed 2021 Model 3 Performance. Oh, let's try the charging. Where's my phone?
I don't think you should try to charge it because it's not connected to anything.
It is. Oh.
Ooh, the charger's not working.
Oh!
Hey!
Fast wireless charging, baby. That never used to work on the
Old
the old one. This side. Yay! Yeah, all good, all working. We got USB port there. I'm not sure if it's got data. How can we tell? Oh, we can tell if we plug in the USB. Oh, but we don't have USB-C to USB-C, do we? No, we don't. This one, look, you got the secret compartment.
Not secret anymore.
Now you know about it. And then you can still use another storage. All good. Done. Nice.
Oh, it's so easier than the other one.
Yeah. Well, you know, innit? Once you've done one, easier. Cool, let's go.